Hello everyone, this is Nikhil Shire. I'm a practicing chartered accountant in Bangalore. We have been with Jamku from past 3 years. Initially, when we had to opt management software as such, so we have gone through various other softwares, various other options in order to just finalize on which management software do we go about. We, as a practicing chartered accountant, in order to scale up our business, in order to run the business, run the firm in an organized manner, with the requirements what we wanted and the solutions provided by the Jamku software, we had our requirements was completely matched with the software. Looking at the options, they have various good options like to-do list. They have the daily dashboard, which is very well amazingly drafted, which is very easy for us for a user to understand what are the various works which is going on, what are the pending tasks, any task if it is taking a lot of time, the entire view is appears on your daily dashboard. And looking at the reports which have been provided by Jamku software, there are various work done analytics, comparison analysis provided by the software, and there's a compliance dashboard which very much helps you to know whether you are compliant or not in filing all your returns. There is a stage dashboard where you yourself can define what are the stages for each compliance. There are various field dashboards which is required for you to save additional data. There is email services which is provided by them. There is a team, and a team is also organized in such a manner that it is easier for us to have a control. There is also for option of attendance, which is also very helpful for us. Also, the major reason why we have gone with the software is the compatibility. In case of any queries we have, Jamku management has always considered that, and wherever possible, they have provided us a solution for it, and they have changed in their software as well. And talking about practicing chartered accountant, what you would mainly look for is that you be more efficient, your office, your staff, everyone becomes more efficient in their work. For you to have a better control, which staff is doing what work, to ensure who is more efficient, who is not efficient, and also to ensure that you bill for the every task you perform. Many CAs we generally tend to forget to raise the invoice. We, however, complete the bug. We forget to do that. Talking about the various options provided. Having an experience of 3 years with Jamku, we are very happy with the software. Our needs are completely taken care of, and another chartered accountant would more understand the practicing chartered accountant's need, and accordingly the outputs are there are outputs. So as an overall, we are very happy with the software. Thank you.